Okay, we're working on a pad. We're going to replace the pad on the 2012 Honda Civic. There's a bolt right there. There's a bolt right there you hold. Now the upper part, one little trick. This piece of metal, you need to hold it to be able to take the bolt off. Otherwise it will spin and spin forever. And whenever you're working on a car, in the back tire, we protected it with a piece of wood. We got jacks supporting it, so if this jack fails, the other jack catches it, and you can use your tire as a backup also. So if these two jacks fail, the tire will hold it. Never drink, never be tired when you're working on a car because it's dangerous. So that's all it is. This part is not damaged, so we're leaving it alone. We're just going to do the front, left, and right, and they're identical. So we're just going to show you one, I guess. So only trick so far is hold this little piece of metal. Otherwise, this upper part will spin forever. So let's see what happens. Okay, we bought original OEM brakes, and they come with a lot of shims. Little confusing. You got two snaps right here that go in these tiny holes. They're anti-vibration. They're not going to affect your braking system. They just get rid of noise. We believe this side has one shim and two on the other side. This side got two and this side one. We are using OEM. If you go to AutoZone or another company, they probably don't even give you a shim. There was some glue or oil, glue, I'm going to call it, that goes on these shims also to hold them tight. All of that so your brake does not squeal as the vibration comes in when you put the brake in. All that's left is to squeeze this piston and put the piston back in and put the bolts back in. We're done. Okay? So we're going to go with pushing the piston now. Okay, this is the dust cover. I don't know if it's coming out. Let me put some light on it. There you go. Okay, this dust cover, it's flexible as we talked about it. You can push it in, you see, to cover the dust. Also, when you work on a brake, your first 10 seconds, your brakes don't work because the reservoir and the piston's all empty. The piston is empty of fluid. You just push the fluid out, it's empty. Your brakes don't work when you start. Make sure you got to pump your brakes slowly to get the piston adjusted, and then once it's adjusted, it takes about 2 seconds, then your brakes are going to work. Okay, cut. Okay, the upper part is never going to get tight unless you hold this little washer right here. So if you look, as I spin it, that washer keeps spinning. You see it? You got to hold that washer because it's never tight. So you got to put a tool on it. A wrench is what it's going to take. Okay? And also we said that your brakes are not going to work for the first 2 seconds till you push the pedal twice. Otherwise your piston is empty of fluid. We just worked on it and the fluid is not there. The fluid needs to go to the piston for it to work. Okay? Talk to you later. Okay. You gotta hold the front and and karate the bottom part, the end of it. Yeah. Okay. It's loose, I think. It's loose. Is it? If it's moving, it's loose. Let me make sure you're going to the right direction. Let me double check you. Okay. Hang on. Spin this for me. Hold it. No, hold this head. Okay, spin it. Let me see if you're going. Okay, that is tightening. So it needs to be the other way. Okay, so you were going reverse. Okay, that's how we do it. We're going reverse, so let's do it over again. This way it wasn't working. Okay. The other side you have to push down. This side you got to push up is the problem, okay? Yeah, it's loosening. Okay. So opposite side. Everything is opposite. Everything is okay. Those are just dust cover. Don't worry about it. Keep moving. Oh, okay. We have the same problem. We need to hold that little metal. You need to put something right here. Hold this metal. We have the same problem. So let me see if I can hold this metal. I don't know how I got it away from the other side. Keep moving. Move it. Let me see. Move. Okay, keep moving. Okay, you got a piece of metal right here. You got to hold. Now go ahead. Okay. It finally loosened. Okay, so it needs two tools.
Nice.
Yeah, it's coming? Okay. Alrighty. And we're going to put a tool right here. We're going to put a tool right here and put a 12 millimeter. Okay. Do it.
نمیشه آورد بالا.
No, it's tied up right now. Okay, let me see. You can, if you have this in this position, if you put it in this position, then it will be stuck against the body, and one person can do it. Okay, so spin this. This thing will spin till you get it to that position. So that way one man can do it. Whoa. Hey, actually, let it go. Let it go. I learned a new one. On your car is easier. You don't need to do the upper part. You just, wow, I learned a new one. You just go up and you're done. Tie it up. We were going to take the other part off. We don't need to. I worked in a lot of cars. I've never seen it done this way though. Okay. Alright, so this is easier now. We don't need to take that part off. Just to take the bottom off and you're done. These two pieces will come out. Squeeze them and pull them out for me. I'm doing one hand. Okay. Alright. Okay, and the shim, the brakes, just got to remember the shim. This side has, what, how many shims? One. Okay, and separate these. Put a screwdriver, get a screwdriver, that way you don't get hurt. The other side has two shims, this side got one shim. We're going to recycle the shims and keep these in order so we can go we can push it out. Ooh, stuck. You get it out because you got two hands. Make it like a, don't come in straight, or one side come in an angle, yeah, right there. You see how the angle is working for you? Okay, that's good. You put that, okay, this is, okay, for you not to get confused, put this on one side, that's the front, and we're going to put it in the back. Okay, get the back one out. This is his first time, so yay, good job. Okay, put the back one in the backs, and we're going to match it. Go bring the pads. And bring the whatever glue or whatever it is. Okay, find a pad that is like that. Find this pad. That would be this. Yeah, that's the same. Okay, let's work on that. This goes on that, okay? So you can use the old one if you want. Just put some glue on it or whatever it is, and then put it on. And that goes in like that. Go ahead. No, that's the front. This goes on the front.
Oh, this one.
No, no, it doesn't. Zigzag it and spread it, yeah, okay. You don't need to do a perfect job, that's good. Spread the front and the back is the main part, is the word with any product, okay. We can use the new one or old one, whichever you want, okay. I like, okay, that's fine. You're gonna use the, alright. I'd rather use the old one, I don't know. Okay, go. Put it back, right here. And go in an angle, meaning that put the bottom in first, then the top. Don't go straight in, angle. And the curve needs to match the tire. Okay. Yeah, you got it. No, it's not matched. Never use pressure, you're going to damage parts. So if it's not going in, be patient. Well, you're not going in. Let's do the top first this time. Do the top and do the bottom, see if you can get the bottom. Let me see what the bottom looks like. Okay. So we went top and then the bottom, we went in. Now for the other side, you may need to lay down so you can see these little grooves. Go underneath, lay down, make sure you have supported the brake system. After that, we're going to squeeze this with a C-clamp, big C-clamp, and then put it back in. Only one bolt. Okay, so the back part has two of them. Okay, why don't we just use the old one? I'd rather do that. Huh? Glue it. You didn't glue it.
Already put this here.
Okay. I'm going to do it for you because you have to lay down probably. Think you can? All right. While he's doing that, you need light? Still find the C-clamp. Did you bring the C-clamp? Huh?
What's the
You have the big C to push the piston?
Oh, yes, here.
It's here. Okay, the C-clamp going to go right here like this. It's going to push that piston in. This is in, right? Perfect. We're going fast today. And two clips go in those holes. Do you see the holes? I don't know if the film is coming out at all. Okay, that's one. If you lose the new ones, you can use the old one. They're not that crucial. They're just sound suppression to stop the sound coming in. Okay, yeah. Put the C-clamp in. You're doing good, and we did fast. I can't believe they charge that kind of money, huh? Hey, he's faster than me. He's in a hurry. You gotta go catch an airplane. How long you gonna be gone on your trip? Go, yay. Okay, he's gonna squeeze it. Yeah, keep going. Yeah. Your car is so easy, golly. And we're gonna charge probably $300 for one side at the dealer. $200 at a like auto store, auto parts store, or something. I mean at a mechanic shop. Golly, you're done. This should motivate him to work on his car now. Alright, get the C-clamp out. We're done. Get the C-clamp out. Loosen it. You loosen it, it comes out.
That's me.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Go. Keep going. Okay, you can put a tool on it to help you if you need to. You want a tool? No? Okay. Alright, he got it undone. we're just going to put the 12 millimeter bolt back in. Okay, get the coat hanger out. Pull the coat hanger so we don't forget it. A lot of people forget it. And this side, the shocks are damaged also. They're working, but the dust guard is gone. It's protected from dust, so no big deal. See, okay, we have a little boo-boo. Okay. Make sure you're lined up before you press hard. Let's do the side. Let's go side that you see. Okay, it's in. Okay, it's in, and only this part is not aligned, and that back piece can go in. Come from this side so you see what's going on. Okay, this needs to go here, and this piece can be pushed in. You see it? All I got to do is push it in. You see it? Now it's back in. Okay, put the 12 millimeter in right here. And I'm going to hold the part for you and tighten it. Okay. Here, I'm going to hold it for you. If you were alone, you could press it. Okay. You got to make it super tight. And I'm not doing a good job trying to film. Hang on. Let me see. Keep going so I can get to it. Okay, I got it. Go. Oh, slip. Okay, go. Hang on. Okay, go. Hang on. Hang on. Okay, go. Okay, that's good enough. That's good enough. Let's go ahead and tighten the, we did not loosen this, but I'm going to make it tighter. I'm going to hold it and try to make it tighter. Just in case if you did loosen it a little bit. Hang on.
No, it's tight.
It is?
Yeah.
Huh? I'm going to double check it.